Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying another 3 words that's from here till there, page number 16 of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. This slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. So the first word we have is laysa, and it can be divided into 2 syllables. The first syllable we have is lam fatha ya sakun lay. Lam is a light letter. In this case, it has fatha on top of it, and it is followed by ya sakun. Lam fatha ya sakun lay. Lam fatha ya sakun lay. Lam fatha ya sakun lay. The second syllable we have is sin fatha sa. Sin is a light letter. It has fatha on top of it, and it will be prolonged for 1 count. Sin fatha sa, sin fatha sa, sin fatha sa. Combining these 2 syllables, we have laysa, laysa, laysa. The next word we have is malan, and it can be divided into 2 syllables. The first syllable we have is mim fatha alif sakun. That's hidden sakun here. Mim is a light letter. It has fatha on top of it. It is followed by alif, and alif has a hidden sukoon, and this syllable will be prolonged for 2 counts. Mim fatha alif sukoon ma. Mim fatha alif sukoon ma. Mim fatha alif sukoon ma. The next syllable we have is lam fathatain lan, and this alif is silent here. Lam is light letter in this case, and it has fathatain on top of it. Lam fathatain lan, lam fathatain lan, lam fathatain lan. Combining these 2, we have malan, malan, malan. The next word we have is naran. It can be divided into 2 syllables. The first syllable we have is nun fatha alif sukoon. Sukoon, hidden sukoon here. Nun is a light letter. It has fatha on top of it, and it is followed by alif, and alif has a hidden sukoon, and it will be prolonged for 2 counts. Nun fatha alif sukoon na. Nun fatha alif sukoon na. Nun fatha alif sukoon na. The second syllable we have is ra fathatain ran, and this alif is silent. Ra is light and heavy, but in this case it is heavy. It has fathatain on top of it. Ra fathatain ran, ra fathatain ran, ra fathatain ran. Combining these 2 syllables, we have naran, naran, naran. The next few slides would be sounds only. Laysa, laysa, laysa. Malan, malan, malan. Naran, naran, naran. So this is the end of this session. We will see you in next session, inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.